Hey, what's good, fam? Buckle up because I'm about to drop a crypto bombshell that'll make your jaw hit the floor. Imagine a world where buying crypto is as easy as ordering your favorite pizza, where security is tighter than Fort Knox, and where a community-powered blockchain is rewriting the rules of Web3. That's not a dream, that's Pi Network's reality, and they just leveled up big time with their new partner, TransFi. This isn't just another update, it's a seismic shift that's about to catapult Pi Network into the stratosphere of global adoption. So grab your energy drink, hit that like button, and let's dive into why Pi Network and TransFi are about to change the crypto game forever. Alright fam, let's get to the meat of this. Pi Network, the mobile-first crypto project with over 60 million users worldwide, just dropped a bombshell by teaming up with TransFi, a fintech powerhouse that's all about secure, scalable, and compliant payment solutions. Why does this matter? Because TransFi isn't just any partner, they're bringing some serious street cred to Pi's mission to democratize crypto. We're talking ISO 27001 and AICPA-SOC certifications, the gold standards for global security and data protection. That means your info is locked down tighter than a vault, and Pi Network is doubling down on keeping things legit as they scale to new heights. Now let's talk about what TransFi does for Pi's ecosystem. Picture this. You're in one of over 85 countries, maybe the Philippines, Hungary, or right here in the US, and you want to buy PiCoin. Before, you might have had to jump through hoops, deal with sketchy peer-to-peer trades, or wrestle with clunky exchanges. Not anymore. TransFi's integration into Pi's wallet means you can buy $PI directly with Fiat, think credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even local payment apps like GCash in the Philippines. Over 250 payment methods across 85-plus markets. That's like giving every crypto newbie a VIP pass to the Pi economy. And here's the kicker. TransFi didn't just waltz in. They passed Pi Network's rigorous Know Your Business, KYB checks, ensuring they're as legit as it gets. This partnership fixes the headaches users faced with Pi's previous on-ramp provider, On-Ramp Money, which had delays and transaction hiccups. TransFi's stepping in like a superhero, making fiat to Pi purchases simple, fast, direct, as the Pi community's been shouting on social media. Now let's get real for a sec. In the Wild West of crypto, trust is everything. Pi Network's been preaching transparency and compliance since day one, and their partnership with TransFi is proof they walk the talk. TransFi's ISO 27001 and AICPA-SOC certifications aren't just fancy badges, they're a promise that user data is protected with military-grade security. Whether you're a pioneer in Asia, Europe, or anywhere else, you can rest easy knowing Pi's got your back. But wait, there's more. Pi's mainnet migration process is now a fortress of authenticity. They've rolled out advanced checks like liveness verification. Yep, that's tech making sure you're a real human, not a bot, and system-level analytics to sniff out any shady activity. These measures are like bouncers at the club, ensuring only verified users get access to mainnet features like trading, staking, or using Pi in decentralized apps. Fraud? Not on Pi's watch. This focus on security and compliance isn't just about keeping things safe, it's about building a platform that governments, businesses, and everyday users can trust. So, why is this partnership such a big deal? Because it's not just about buying PiCoin, it's about Pi Network's vision to become the backbone of a global, decentralized digital economy. With over 7.75 billion Pi in circulation and a market cap of $2.7 billion as of August 2, 2025, Pi's no small fry. They're trading at 34 cents right now, with a daily volume of $158 million, and analysts are buzzing about how this fiat on-ramp could stabilize demand and fuel growth. TransFi's integration is a strategic leap toward making Pi a household name. By bridging traditional finance and blockchain, Pi's making crypto accessible to people who've never touched a wallet before, especially in emerging markets where financial barriers are real. Think about it. A farmer in the Philippines using GCash to buy Pi, or a student in Hungary getting better exchange rates than ever. This is Web3 in action, decentralized, inclusive, and practical. Pi's not stopping there. They've upgraded their app with features like the lockup system, where users can lock up to 200% of their PI to boost mining rewards and stabilize the network. Plus, they're rolling out dApps, decentralized apps for e-commerce, social networking, and more. Imagine buying coffee with Pi, trading with friends, or even paying for services in a fully decentralized marketplace. That's the future Pi's building, and TransFi's paving the way. Alright, UncleG fam, let's wrap this up. Pi Network's partnership with TransFi isn't just an update, it's a revolution. With rock-solid security, fiat access in 85-plus markets, and a commitment to decentralization, Pi's proving that crypto can be more than hype, it can be transformative. This is your chance to jump on board a project that's rewriting the rules of Web3. Whether you're a pioneer or a newbie, the path to Pcoin is clearer than ever. And the future? It's looking bright. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the Pi revolution? Drop a comment below, tell me how you're using Pi, or if you're hyped for what's next. Smash that like button, subscribe to UncleG for more crypto truth bombs, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep building this decentralized dream together. Until next time, stay crypto, stay savvy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.